Hey guys, what is up? John here from fly@mikealpha.com, and since you guys liked that Valdez slow-mo STOL video we posted not too long ago, I figured we'd go ahead and share with you some more STOL footage from the Wasilla STOL competition that just happened just this past weekend. We threw in some slow-mo footage, some normal speed footage, and some drone footage for your enjoyment, and if you're wondering what exactly STOL candy means, well, just watch till the end of the video, you'll find out. So of course there's always a few interesting moments at any of these events we go to, and there really was no wind to speak of all day long, and all of a sudden when that little 182 rotated, nice little crosswind kind of kicked out of nowhere, and luckily these guys are all pretty skilled and they just kind of roll with whatever's thrown at them, literally, and everything worked out just fine. So if you're wondering what we meant by STOL candy, well, this is it. Basically, after the STOL competition, all the airplanes flew by and dropped candy from them, and the kids ran out and attacked it. Luckily, in Alaska, parents raise their kids right, and they teach them how to fight for their candy and do whatever it takes to go get it. They also teach them from a very young age that, you know, some people are winners, some people are losers, and you don't get any sort of free lunch, so you gotta go fight for your candy if you want some. Which, you know, no participation ribbons, and I'm kind of a fan of that, a little different than the lower 48. Either way, awesome time up there, great pictures, great videos, and I think the only guy that had not such a fun time was the guy who brought the speakers to the event.
Careful with the wires, don't pull the wires, please. Let's not forget to share and help each other out. Careful with the wires, don't pull the speakers over.
Either way, really cool to see the kids be able to participate and kind of get involved in aviation a little bit. Obviously, it can be a little boring for them at first, so very cool that they came up with this fun little event for the kids to participate in. That's pretty much it for this one. If you guys are somehow worried at all about the drone flying so close to airplanes, just realize that we place the drone in places where airplanes can't get to. Airplanes don't fly backwards and they don't go vertically straight up, and that's how we are able to make sure that the drone doesn't interfere with any aircraft. Either way, awesome time out there, and you guys know what to do. If you can't fly every day, then fly at MikeAlpha.com. We'll see you at the next STOL competition.